In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here click on night shift. So you can either activate it right now by tapping on manually enable until tomorrow, and here you can customize the temperature by using the scale, or you can obviously switch it off the same way. And also you can set up some general rule, just click on scheduled and set the time on which it should be active. So it can be active from 8 p.m. till 4 a.m. next day. And that's it. As you can see, it has been changed. So from now on, every day between those hours, your night shift will be applied. And you can switch off the rule the same way. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.